Since the 1st of January 2019, employers are required to submit their payroll data to Revenue every time they perform a pay run. Most importantly, this periodic submission needs to be received by Revenue on or before payment is made to the employees. This periodic submission of your payroll data to Revenue is known as the Payroll Submission Request, or the PSR. After updating your pay period, Thesaurus Payroll Manager will automatically create the payroll submission request required by Revenue, and you'll see that Process Icon 6 will immediately prompt you that the submission is outstanding. Click Process Icon number 6 followed by Prepare PSR. A summary of the PAYE, USC, PRSI and LMT totals included in the submission will be displayed on screen for you to review. Should you wish to view the detailed contents of the PSR before submission, click View. Click Submit PSR to Revenue when ready. A confirmation will be shown on screen once your submission is successful. Press Close to exit the PSR utility. On closing out of the PSR utility, you will be prompted to take a backup of your payroll data. If you are not using Thesaurus Connect, it is strongly recommended that you complete the backup process, as a backup of your payroll file will provide a safety measure should you experience any problems with your PC. Your company name will already be highlighted on the left-hand side. Select the drive you wish to back up to from the drop-down menu on the right-hand side. After selecting your backup location, click the Backup button. A prompt will appear to confirm your backup location. If you are happy to proceed, click OK to continue with the backup. A confirmation message will now appear to confirm that your backup has been successful. Click OK followed by Close to exit.